Hi there, this is Danielle Varda, CEO of Visible Network Labs. I'm here today to walk you through one of our features on the partner platform. In our features related to exploring, capturing, leveraging, and connecting around your network data, today I'm just going to focus in Explore on the Report Builder. Report Builder is a really neat and easy to use feature that lets you drag and drop your data right into a cart of sorts and allows you from there to build out a PDF report in a very simple way with almost immediate results. So of course, to get started, you always want to log in first to the platform. From there, if you haven't registered yet, be sure to register, validate your email, and then come right back and log in. If you are already a partner manager, go ahead and register here first. And once you're inside, you can link up all of your partner projects across multiple emails or other ways to put them all into your one profile. So after you log in, you're going to go ahead and see the partner platform here. What you're going to do is come down here to the data dashboards, and you're going to want to log into that. There are multiple options for how to put data into that dashboard, which we've covered in another video. But today we're going to go ahead and use the free practice data so that we can all see the same example. But other demos will show you how to get different kinds of data into the dashboard. Across all your projects, you'll be able to see them as you come in and work through the dashboard. So once you're here, of course, there's the analytic ways to see your data. I'm using my Sandbox, free Sandbox data that you should have as well. I'll go ahead and pick my network maps here just to get started. So what you're going to see when you have these maps is not only in addition to all of the features for analyzing it, but this little box at the bottom here that looks like a place where you can store things. So of course, anytime you make a new map image or bring in a new bar chart or anything that we've covered in other types of ways of using the data, you can capture it down here. So even when you use it to look at these kinds of things, there are going to be these options down here to capture what you're seeing there. So what you'll start to notice is these features over here on the right, both making sense of the data and building your report out. So once I have my map all ready to go, and I've put a couple of the things that I want to see down here in the bottom, the next step will be for me to just simply grab the pictures that I decide I want to include in my maps and drag them right up here into this drag and drop spot. Once that happens, a pop-up will come. I can decide what the title of this graph and section is. I can say these are network maps, for example. I can choose to have text that falls above the picture and below the picture. I can pick to include, let's say, summary text and questions to consider. Below it, I might pick what the science says and advice from the VNL team. So these are all things that I can bring in here from our Data Insights library. Once I do that, I can hit OK, and it stores it. And as I drag and bring my different visuals in that I want to include in my report, I'll go through the same process over and over again until the point where when I'm all done and I've brought in all the ones that I want to include in the report, then I will hit to build the report, and it will produce a web page, a website for me where I can customize it even further and finalize it by saving it as a PDF, which I can email or download. Those features are just a week or so away from getting done, but we're pretty excited about this, and we think it's going to make it really, really easy to build out reports. And of course, we are only one step away from building out a presentation. And one of the things we also like to provide are poster templates. So If you're doing projects and you want to share this with others, we can continue to build those out. I imagine we'll also have infographics before too long as well. So all of these different ways to communicate and disseminate the work that you've been doing just at the click of a button. So we hope you are as excited about this feature of the partner platform as we are. If you have questions, please email us at partnertool@visiblenetworklabs.com, and we hope you'll join the community soon. Thanks.